Good morning, my friends. Welcome to Trading WPRTS. Today is 23rd of March 2022. Today is Wednesday. Ngam 3rd. Okay, so let's check out the market. Before that, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Want to open account, don't forget to open CGS-CIMB account. Now got promotion. And the link is below this video, or you can find it in Facebook. Want to buy me coffee, go to coffee.com, kf-fi.com, Trading WPRTS. So check out the introduction. Today market up, market very strong. Okay, later we discuss. Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Okay, let's take a look at KLSE. So KLSE today is up. Okay, after pin bar, so market is driven up again. RSI going up. So this one looks like it's going up again. So market look quite good, especially driven by the technology rebound. Okay, let's look at the index today. Now it's 11:23 a.m. Market sentiment 65, gainers 531, losers 280. Quite good. Volume 3 billion. This I think need to refresh. Hold on. Okay, refresh ready. Sentiment is 65. Gainers is 532. Losers is 282. Volume not bad. 1.62 at 11:25. 1.62 billion. 12.46 points up. 0.79% up. 1598. So how the market move today? Morning open continue go up. Okay, continue go up. So very strong today. This morning momentum very strong. So consumer up 0.56, industry up 0.98, construction up 0.56, technology big gain again, 3.36, finance up 0.84, property up 0.82, plantation down 0.3, plantation down, that's not so good. RET up 0.01, energy up 0.39, healthcare up energy drop 0.39, healthcare up 1.26. Telecommunication up 1.01, transportation up 0.46, utilities up 0.676. Utility also big gain today. Finance good. Okay, finance got some rebound, but the main important one is this one. Technology still up. Okay, so take a look at technology. Technology is still going up. Look at the sector. The sector is still going up, still okay, no problem. Still continue to hold. Look at plantation. Okay, plantation still okay lah. Drop a little bit, still okay. Not too bad yet. Okay, look at top gainers. So today top gainers typically is all the technology lah. So I will pick a few technology to talk lah. I don't want to talk all the technology stock that rebound. Okay, so I'll pick some MPI, Vitrox, Penta, UWC, D&O lah. So basically they're the same lah. The rebound is the same lah. Okay, continue to hold. And today other top gainers we see Genetech. Okay, got some P-Metal, got some rebound. Westport maybe take a look. High Tech maybe take a look. TM got some rebound, maybe take a look. Okay, so this few lah. I'll take a look at FRAMFRESH today. I got video this morning talked about FRAMFRESH on my Facebook. Good morning, my friends. Welcome to Trading WPRTS. So today, just had my breakfast, morning drink. So what do you guys think? FRAMFRESH can go up. Looking at the chart, it's quite difficult. Morning also, it's not doing very well. So if you guys, a lot of people still want to play FRAMFRESH, maybe I'll talk a bit more. Leave your comment down. Bye. So you guys still holding FRAMFRESH? Anyone still interested? Welcome to Trading WPRTS. So today, video don't want to stop. Okay, so take a quick look at FRAMFRESH lah. Just curious curious after the first big day, see what happened to FRAMFRESH. Drop today morning, small drop in the morning. Let me see. Go to the 15-minute. Okay, so 15 minutes sideways. So I haven't dropped below one ringgit 70 cent yet. Okay, now it's holding sideways 1.75. Maybe still got chance. Haven't dropped. Still got chance, and wait and see lah. Now it's just like, but not a lot of buying power lah. Not a lot of buying power lah. So 1 ringgit 70. I think a lot of buyers already consider expensive already lah. Because listing price is 135, right? 1.35 lah. So probably I think you want to drop back to 1.35 possible, only got chance. I think the goring already finished already. The goring until 1 ringgit 85 cent. All the institution, probably a lot of institution, a lot of smart money already take profit already lah. Already take profit lah. So this one, I don't think now I think sideways or probably down lah. Going up, I hard to see going up lah. Okay, let's look at the top gainers. UWC, look at some technology stock lah. So they are the same lah. They are the same. UWC, okay, UWC breakout already. Okay, so UWC breakout already. I said if you want to cover some losses, you can buy some here. Goes back to 480. Look at 420 first, whether it can go through. It can go through, then look for 480. Also, possibly you can recuperate some of your losses, you know, get 30% here, okay, 30% here. So if you report buying high, so you got chance to run, continue to hold Penta. Hey, Penta going up faster, okay, Penta already up how many percent that day from here? Already up 15%, so you got 20% to 30% to run. Okay, Penta, D&O. Okay, also going up. So this one continue to hold. Continue to hold. GREATECH. Okay, GREATECH also going up. Okay, so continue to hold. Maybe 5 ringgit. 470. See, you can go through now. You can go through. Look at 550. GENETECH. Hey, GENETECH slowly going up lah. GENETECH also slowly going up. Opportunity to run if you are buying high, opportunity to run Okay, GENETECH want to invest, not yet lah. If you want to invest, you need to break through this one. Break through here first. 280. Maybe after it goes through 380, maybe the trend already changed but now it's still downtrend Westport. Westport today got some momentum but haven't break through. Westport need to break through 4 ringgit first. P Metal. So P Metal we run already long time ago. So don't forget P Metal. After the aluminium price, I start to say that aluminium price drop around here 7 ringgit area. I start to post a lot of posts about aluminium drop, this and that. So hopefully you guys can catch it. Where did I post? Let me see, I can find the post now. PNB Tech drop below support. So I put where was the one? This one, palm oil. There, aluminium future down. I start to post a lot of things about aluminium So you guys have to aluminium future big drop So I already a long time, 9 months I already start to post already okay. So you guys don't miss out Also P Metal around 18, 17, around 7 March already starting to drop so I post it 9 March around here I post around here 9 March here around here I already post now continue dropping okay. So I already put out the warning lah. Put out the warning. P metal high tech today high tech got some energy. Look at high tech. High tech cannot lah. High tech cannot lah. High tech very volatile high tech finished scoring already lah. Better not play lah. Nothing much to talk about. Nothing much to talk about. It could be possible rebound. Any rebound run Any rebound run Okay. This rebound opportunity to run not opportunity to play lah. I would say lah opportunity to run first. If really want to play, need to go through 1.275 first 1.275. But I doubt lah, technology a bit difficult now. Even the rebound, even there's a rebound, it could be just a short term only. Okay, look at Aeon. The bank talked about Aeon last few days. I missed out Aeon already. Sayang, I missed out already. I could have called it. I would have called it here, you know. I would have called it here if I got monitor Aeon. I forgot to monitor Aeon. 11% up already. Okay, so today it's trying to break 1.545. If we can go through 1.545, stay above 1.545, we want to play from here to the top channel here. To the top channel, probably towards this area, 1.9. Okay, so that's it for today. We'll talk later. I got a lot of work to do. I'm doing the course. Okay, I'm trying to finish out the course. And I'm adding some new service to coffee.com, you know, some new chart analysis. So I'll get back to you. I'll update you on those things. Okay, I'll get back to you. We talk in the evening. Bye bye.